once in a while you seem to cross my mind. See your face in a stranger as they're passing by. I swear sometimes I can hear you from the other side. I can't make out the words, but it's a voice I recognize. One look at this photograph, the tears come flooding and my mind starts rushing back to the places we used to laugh. Ain't it cruel how it all ends just like that? How come life takes the best of us? You were only 17, just growing up. Tell me, why does it hurt so bad when I look at this photograph? I still wonder if things would have been different now. If I called you that night before it all went down.
So because I'm actually checking out in a few days, I can let you guys know where I'm staying at. So I'm right here at Oryodong. It's a little bit on the outer side of Seoul. So if I take this line upwards, I can go to Seoul Station. And then there's City Hall. Here is Anguk Station where all the cafes are at. There is Kwangjang Market that is over here as well. So I'm not too far out, about a 30 minutes ride upwards. The Airbnb link will be down in the description box below for those of you who don't know my apartment. I have the full apartment tour linked up above. Just gonna wait for my train.
So far away. Last night was one big holiday. Cool winds on me out by the shade. Put my weekend on layaway. I don't know where I'm going. 2 days, one big commotion. I'm being carried by the wake. Soothing motion, please help me take the pain away. No way to change our yesterday. No way to change our yesterday.
하는 애들은 늘봉돈으로 내가 계산해. 그러니까 그거 조사가 안 한다잖아.
Take a look out the window. goes up as the rain falls down. I've been sailing on the wrong course, keeping it together like I did before. Think that I've said this a few times. Even with that, has it ever felt right? I swear that this has happened every moment. Can I just be honest? I was only wondering, and maybe we could take it to a different conversation. Things will get uncomfortable, but only if we make it. I just wanna say that, but you'd rather take it all back. Although you are sunlight, you stay in the shade. I'm dancing in a corner just to get a space, cause I wanna believe that. I get lost, you go with your day. Slowly get closer, but you're moving away. I know it's just a recap, but I'm sure you'll never see that. Rather take it all back. Maybe it's time to get home. Think that it's going a little too far, even after all the white noise. Oh, I still wanted to restart. Give all you're taking my time. Feels like I'm patiently waiting in line. So can we ever have another moment? Can you just be honest? I was only wondering if maybe we can take it to a different conversation. Things will get uncomfortable, but only if we make it. I just wanna say that.
Wow, it's actually really very
Still,
nice.
you'd rather take it all back. Although you are sunlight, you stay in the shade. I'm dancing in a corner just to get a space, cause I wanna believe that.
안녕하세요. 토요야키
I
주세요.
get lost, you go with your day. Slowly getting closer, but you're moving
여기요.
away. I know it's just a recap, but I'm sure you'll never see
감사합니다.
that. Rather take it all back, cause I'm sure you'll never see that. Rather take it all back. Oh, I'm sure you'll never see that. Rather take it all back. Cause I'm sure you'll never see that. Rather take it all back. For you are sunlight, stay in the shade. Dance in the corner just to get space, cause I wanna believe that. I get lost, you go with your day. Slowly getting closer, but you're moving away. I know it's just a recap, but I'm sure you'll never see that. Rather take it all back.